Hi everyone, here's an example of a word problem which involves arithmetic series where you don't actually know how many terms there are. So the problem is there's a pile of bricks heaped on the ground of a construction site, and each layer has 4 bricks more than the layer above it. And the top layer has 2 bricks and the bottom layer has 58 bricks. How many bricks are there in the pile? So here's an example of a heap of bricks. It's completely not to scale, so this is just for conceptual purposes. But basically, the top layer has 2 bricks, and we know that each layer has 4 more bricks than the layer above it. So this actually is an arithmetic series because the common difference in this case is 4, and the first term is 2, and the last term is 58. So 2 plus 6 plus 10 all the way to 58, and we want to figure out what this sum is, and that's the total number of bricks in this pile. To do that, we would need to use the formula first term plus last term times number of terms divided by 2, and this is in parentheses. So we know what the first term is, it's 2, and we know what the last term is, it's 58. So the challenge is figuring out how many terms there are, the number of terms. And to do that, what we could do is think about how many times the common difference was added. So in this case, the common difference is plus 4. Plus 4. Well, how many plus 4s are there to get from 2 to 58? Okay, well, the difference between 58 and 2 is 58 minus 2. And so the number of 4s you need to add to get from 2 to 58 is just that difference divided by 4, which is 56 divided by 4, which is equal to 14. So that means we added the total of 14 4s. So that means there is a total of 15 terms, because 14 4s just give you, then you have to keep in mind the first term. So 14 plus 1 is equal to 15 terms. So now we have the first term, which is 2, plus 58, which is the last term. Now that you know how many terms there are, 15, then you divide by 2. So this is equal to 60 times 15 divided by 2, which is 30 times 15, which is 450. So there's a total of 450 bricks.